So class, this is page 838, numbers 37 to 40. So we're supposed to determine how these two planes are related. The first one is 5x minus 3y plus z equals 4, x plus 4y plus 7z equals 1. So it turns out that they're orthogonal if they're 90 degrees apart. And if they're parallel, obviously they're 0 degrees apart. So we have that equation of cosine theta u dot v, magnitude vector u, magnitude vector v. So what we're trying to determine from this formula is cosine 90 or is cosine 0. Okay? And it's actually a really easy check. We just have to do the dot product. If we get the dot, because cosine of 90 degrees actually equals 0. So the only time this is going to equal 0 is when u dot v are 0. Okay, so we can check that pretty easily. Just do u dot v here real quick. So I'm going to take 5 times 1. That's 5. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. 1 times 7 is positive 7. If I add these together, I get 0. Okay, so these vectors, or these planes, are 90 degrees apart or orthogonal. Now, to determine if two planes are parallel, let's say I had 1x plus 2y plus 3z equals some number, we'll call it 7. And then I had 4x plus 8y plus 12z. And it doesn't matter what it equals. It could equal, does it matter? Oh, it can equal anything, 5, whatever. If I can take this part of the plane and multiply it by something to get to this part, then these two planes are parallel. And in this case we can, right? Because we can take this vector times 4 and we get, or this plane times 4 and we get this plane. Okay? So that's all you have to do to determine if they're parallel, and this is all you have to do to determine if they're orthogonal. Okay? Hope this helps.